Ways to conceive twins naturally. If you're wondering how to increase your chances of getting pregnant with twins, try these natural ways. 1. Delay your next pregnancy. While multiple pregnancies can increase your chance of having twins, not taking a break between 2 pregnancies can reduce your chances. 2. Try to conceive while breastfeeding. Prolactin is a component that your body produces while you're breastfeeding. This component has been known to increase your chances of getting pregnant and conceiving twins. 3. Increase your consumption of dairy products. Several growth hormones are found in milk and other dairy products made from cow milk, therefore its consumption is suggested if you want to conceive twins. 5. Ask your partner to consume zinc-rich foods. Since zinc-rich foods accelerate the production of sperms, your partner should consume more of them. There are high chances that the fertilization process helps in conceiving twins. 6. Eat protein-rich foods. Since a lot of your chances of conceiving twins depends upon hyperovulation, protein-rich foods may be helpful to promote the same. Whole grains, tofu, soy isoflavones and especially yams help hyperstimulate your ovaries, thereby increasing the chances of having twins. 7. Take folic acid supplements. Although debated, this method has nonetheless shown some good results while trying to conceive twins. It is advised to take supplements as it's known to prevent neural tube defects. 8. Sex positions. Apart from the methods mentioned above, it is widely believed that certain sex positions increase the chances of conceiving twins.